Ever wondered if the day would come when robots take over our jobs? A question that might sound like a sci-fi movie plot, yet it's becoming an increasingly relevant concern. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is steadily inching its way into our daily lives. From voice assistants that answer our questions, to self-driving cars that navigate the roads, it's hard to ignore the growing influence of AI. But what exactly is this mysterious force? Imagine a super-intelligent, non-biological brain that can learn from experience, make decisions, and even create new ideas. That's AI in a nutshell. It's like having a super smart friend who never sleeps, doesn't need food, and remembers everything you've ever told them. Sounds like the perfect companion, right? But let's not get carried away. AI is not just creating a robotic best friend. It's a tool, a powerful tool that can process information at a speed and accuracy that our human brains can only dream of. It's a technology that can revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and yes, potentially take over certain jobs. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, did he just say my job could be taken over by a robot? Yes, but don't panic just yet. Remember, every technological advancement in history has led to job displacement, but it has also created new opportunities. Think back to the Industrial Revolution, or more recently the Digital Revolution. Yes, some jobs became obsolete, but new ones emerged. In the same vein, AI is set to create a host of new jobs that we can't even imagine today. And the best part? These jobs are likely to be more interesting, more challenging, and more rewarding than the ones it replaces. So rather than fearing the AI, why not get on board and ride the wave to success? After all, the future belongs to those who are prepared to embrace change, and AI, my friends, is a big part of that change. Now, on a lighter note, if robots do take over the world, we can at least hope they won't have the same Monday blues as us. Scene script. AI sounds complex, right? But let's break it down into bite-sized chunks. Imagine you're training a mischievous puppy. You reward the puppy when it sits on command and withhold the treat when it doesn't. But sometimes the puppy outsmarts you and pees on your brand new carpet. This is essentially what machine learning is all about. It's how AI learns. We feed it information or treats, and over time it learns to distinguish between what's important, sitting on command, and what's not, peeing on the fresh carpet. Now imagine a bustling city street. There are cars, pedestrians, cyclists, all following their own paths, but somehow they all manage to avoid collisions. This is a lot like neural networks, where each neuron is like a road user, taking in information from its surroundings, making decisions, and passing on information. Together, they create a complex, interconnected system that can process vast amounts of information and make decisions in split seconds. Deep learning, on the other hand, is like a detective novel. It's all about patterns and connections. It's the Sherlock Holmes of AI, if you will. Deep learning algorithms sift through mountains of data, identifying patterns and making connections that even the most eagle-eyed human might. It's like Holmes deducing that the suspect is left-handed because of the angle of the incision on the victim's body. And just like a detective novel, there's always a twist. In the world of AI, that twist is often an unexpected insight or prediction that turns everything on its head. Who knew that the butler was the killer all along? Well, deep learning did. Humor aside, these concepts are the building blocks of AI. They're what allow to recognize your face, recommend a movie you might like, or even diagnose a disease. And the beauty of it is, don't need to be a rocket scientist to understand them. See, AI isn't rocket science. Well, not unless you're programming AI for a mischievous puppy that might just pee on your carpet. Have you ever seen AI in action? You might be surprised. You see, artificial intelligence is not some future far-off technology. It's here, now, and it's changing the way we live, work, and play every day. Let's take a quick tour across various industries to see how AI is making a significant impact. First stop, healthcare. AI is revolutionizing this sector in ways we never imagined. It's helping doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, even before symptoms appear. It's assisting surgeons in performing complex procedures with precision. It's also making personalized medicine a reality, tailoring treatments to individual patients' genetics and lifestyle. Next, let's swing by the finance industry. AI is a pivotal role here too. It's powering sophisticated algorithms that predict market trends, manage risk, and make investment decisions. And here's a funny thing, it turns out AI is actually better at predicting market trends than our horoscopes. Who knew? It's also streamlining customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants, making banking more accessible and convenient than ever. Now let's take a peek into the entertainment industry. AI is behind the scenes improving our movie and music recommendations, personalizing our streaming experiences, and even creating original content. Ever wonder how your favorite streaming platform always seems to know what you want to watch next? That's AI in action. But it's not just these industries. AI is improving efficiency, accuracy, and productivity across the board, from agriculture to education, from transportation to retail. It's helping farmers monitor crop health and predict yields. It's enabling teachers to personalize learning for every student. It's making our cars safer, and our online shopping experiences smoother. So, you see, AI is not just about robots taking over the world, though they are pretty cool, aren't they? It's about making our world better, more efficient, and more personalized. It's about solving complex problems and making our lives easier in ways we're only beginning to understand. So AI isn't just about robots taking over the world, it's about making our world better and more efficient. Worried about robots stealing your job? How about becoming the person who tells the robots what to do? Now, before you start picturing yourself as a sort of digital puppet master, let's delve into the reality of future jobs in the realm of artificial intelligence. It's no secret that AI is reshaping the world of work. But rather than being a job-killing apocalypse, it's creating a surge in demand for certain skills. Think about it. Who's going to train those intelligent machines? Who's going to interpret the data they generate? Who's going to troubleshoot when they inevitably run into problems? That's right, we humans are. Let's break down some of the roles that are on the rise. First up, we have the AI specialist. This is the wizard who can conjure up algorithms to teach machines to learn and solve problems. It's a little like being a school teacher for robots, only you don't have to worry about them forgetting their homework. If you fancy yourself as an AI specialist, you could be at an average salary that comfortably hits 6 figures. Next in line, the data scientist. This role is all about making sense of the vast amounts of data that AI systems generate. If you've got a head for numbers and a knack for spotting patterns, this could be your calling. And guess what? The average salary for a data scientist is also a 6-figure sum. Finally, let's talk about the machine learning engineer. This is the mastermind who designs and builds the AI systems themselves. It's a role that requires a solid understanding of both software engineering and data science. And yes, you've guessed it, the average salary is once again in the 6-figure range. So you see, rather than fearing the rise of the robots, why not embrace it? The jobs of the future will require a blend of creativity, critical thinking, and technical know-how. And the best part, these roles aren't just well paid, they're also incredibly satisfying, offering the chance to be at the forefront of one of the most exciting fields in technology. In the world of AI, it's the humans who are in high demand. Still not convinced about learning AI? Let's glance at some stats. In the recent years, artificial intelligence has escalated from being merely a buzzword. It's a catalyst for advancement, fueling industries and the global economy. As per a report by PwC, AI could add up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the present combined output of China and India. But AI's impact extends beyond just financial figures. It's revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and live. From autonomous vehicles to virtual assistants and predictive healthcare, AI is changing the boundaries of what's conceivable, and this is merely the start. Now, where does this leave you? In a strategic position, to be honest. As AI expands, the demand for skilled professionals does as well. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, machines and algorithms will generate 12 million more jobs than they displace. That's a surplus of 12 million opportunities for you to leave your mark in the AI domain, and we shouldn't overlook the earning potential. Glassdoor states that the average salary for an AI engineer in the US is over $120,000 annually. But it's not just about the cash. It's about being a part of something larger, something that's revolutionizing the world. Studying AI isn't just about landing a good job or a substantial paycheck. It's unlocking your potential, pushing the limits of what's feasible, and directing the future of innovation. It's about being at the vanguard of a revolution that's shaping our world. So if you're a tech enthusiast, a curious mind, or a visionary, there's never been a better time to plunge into the AI world. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Remember, in the world of AI, the only limit is your imagination. Well, that and your capacity to tolerate coffee. You're going to need a lot of it. So are you ready to ride the AI wave and make coffee your new best friend?